Imagine that every moment of discomfort in your life was actually a moment of development in disguise. Because every time you do something that scares you slightly, like speak up in a meeting, try the new approach, reach out to the person you admire, your brain records that you survived and that thing wasn't as dangerous as it seemed, and your comfort zone expands. Generally speaking, that's how development works, not through grand gestures or sudden transformation, through repeated small acts of stepping just beyond what feels familiar. So try this for 1 week. Once a day, just once, do one thing that slightly stretches you. It doesn't need to be dramatic, just slightly uncomfortable. Then notice that you're still standing, that the discomfort has passed. That small part of you has expanded. You do this for 30 days and look back at where you started. So, what's your one thing you're going to do today? Willpower is finite. It depletes through the day like a battery, and relying on it alone to sustain habit change is one of the main reasons people eventually run out of steam. Now, here's the good news. You don't need willpower if you design your habits correctly from the start. Here's the design principle that changes everything. Make the habit so enjoyable, or pair it with something enjoyable, that your brain begins to look forward to it rather than to resist it. Pick something you genuinely enjoy, but only allow yourself to do during the habit you want to build. So, for example, a podcast you love, only while exercising. A particular drink you enjoy, only while you're working on a creative project. A favorite playlist, only while you're doing a task that you usually avoid. The enjoyable element becomes an anticipated reward. Your brain starts associating the habit with pleasure and not effort. And over time, the habit itself becomes something you look forward to. Not because it's easy, but because you've connected it to something that genuinely feels good. So, what do you need to build? What do you genuinely enjoy? Find the pairing and start today. You are not your thoughts. Right now, your thoughts are moving through your mind. Some of them are helpful, some of them maybe not. And for most of your life, you've probably been treating those thoughts as truth, as who you are. But here's what's actually happening. You are the awareness watching the thoughts, not the thoughts themselves. So try this. Notice a thought that you're having right now. Any thought. Now, step back from it, just slightly, and watch it, listen to it. The way you'd watch a cloud move across the sky. It's just a thought. It came. You watched it. It'll pass. You don't have to believe every thought your mind produces. You don't have to act on them either. You don't have to even identify with them. You can simply observe a thought and let it go. The thoughts will keep coming, that's fine. Your job is to remember, if you like, you're the sky and not the weather. Have a great day.